Alright, here's the contraption I invented on the fly to put up these 5-8 inch thick drywall sheets. These are the 5-8 ones, so these are the thick ones. They're pretty heavy, but I just built this thing kind of like the fulcrum point at the top, and then this part right here will like come up like this and then like rest right there, and then I put this little notch here at the bottom, set the drywall on, and it goes up and then flips over the top, and then as this thing pulls out, I can use it as a kickstand like that, and I'll hold it here. Then I lift the drywall board over this, and then it pushes it up, and it works pretty good. I'm able to do it by myself. So I got like 3 more big ones, full sheets to do, or maybe 4 more full sheets, and then some side pieces. I'll get this roof back fixed.